Good morning, my little children. Sai Ram. I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Students, today again I welcome you all in today's session. I hope you all are ready for studies. Okay, so students, today we will do art and craft, and today we will draw a diya. We will draw a diya. Do you know what we will say diya in English? It's earthen lamps. Okay. So students, now tell me why we are making diya today. Why we are drawing it? Why? Because Diwali is coming. Which festival is coming? Diwali. Yes. And on Diwali, we lighten the earthen lamps, right? The candles, the light, we decorate our home and we burst the crackers. But this Diwali, we will not burst the crackers and we will not go out. We will celebrate a happy and very safe Diwali. Okay? See students, here is our activity. Today we will draw this diya. Now I will show you the video of how to draw this diya. Okay? I hope you all are ready. Okay students, now look here. For making diya, for drawing diya, what will be required? Your art file, crayons, scale and one circular object and one pencil and eraser. So students, what is the date today? First tell me. Today is 10th November. Which month? 11th month. 2020. Okay. See. Right? Now students, you can take any circular object. Okay. Here I am having this circular ring kind of thing. You can take any bangle or whatever you are having. A bowl or a bottle's cap. Fine. Now students, just first what we will do? We just have to draw a half circle. Not full circle. We have to draw half circle. Okay? We will draw half circle. So here I'll draw half circle. And do you know what we say half circle? Semicircle. Okay? Like this. Okay? It is looking like a bowl. Now, with the help of scale, we will join these two corners. Okay? We will join them. Simple. Okay, students? Now, we will make one more line. We will put some gap. And from here, okay? From here, we will make one more line. One more sleeping line. Very good. Okay. Now, we will leave this area. And in down also, we will make two lines like this. We will draw two lines. One and two. Very good. Okay, students, like this we will draw sleeping lines. How many sleeping lines we have drawn? 1, 2, 3 and 4. How many lines? 4 lines we have drawn. Fine. Now students, see. Here is our diya. Now we will decorate it. Okay, we will decorate it. So for decorating it, we will just make U. U for umbrella. Okay, we will make U for umbrella like this. Okay, one more U for umbrella and more like this. Okay, we will just do it like this. It is very simple. And then our diya will look very beautiful. Now we will make three small circles. 3 small O we will draw. Okay, write O. O for orange. O for orange. And one more O we will draw here. Simple. We have drawn our diya. Our diya is completed. Now what we will do, students? we will make a flame. हम दिया जलाते हैं ना, so that flame we will draw now. How? Like this. And same, we will make one more curve and it will come down. See, here is our diya ready. How is it looking? How is it looking, students? Does it look good? Okay. Now with the help of these crayons, we will decorate our diya. Okay. So first, I'll use brown color. You can use your favorite colors, and I'll do brown color in this area, in this line and this one. Okay. First, we will do outlining slowly and beautifully, like this. Now we'll do coloring in it. I'm done. Same for this. And down. And like this, we will continue with it. Okay. Now with the help of yellow color, oh, my yellow color is broken, so I'll use it later. First, I'll take this red color, okay, and I will do color in this small U, okay, in this curving area. First, I will do outlining. Very good. First, we will do outlining. Okay, now we will do coloring. Students, your color should not go out. It should be inside the figure, inside the shape, okay? See, I have done this much. Fine? Okay. Now, I'll choose this purple color for the small circles, okay? Now, with the help of orange color, we will color this remaining area, okay? This area and this area. Now, again, we will do outlining first. For this also, we will do outlining first. Students, now look here. Here you have to do coloring carefully, okay, in this area. You have to do coloring carefully, very carefully. Your coloring should not mix here, here, or in this purple area, in this circles, okay? It is all about to be and. And now with the help of this yellow color, I will color in this flame, okay? With the help of this yellow color, I am coloring the flame like this. I have done the outlining. Now I'll do coloring in it inside the frame. See, how's it, students? Do you like it? Does it look good? Okay, very nice, children. Okay, students, I hope you enjoyed the video. Have you learned how to draw this diya? Now will you be able to draw this? Now I want you all to draw this diya in your art file, okay? That's all for today's session, students. Thank you so much. And students, I wish you and your family happy and very safe Diwali, okay? Do not burn the crackers, okay? We will not burn the crackers this Diwali. And we will maintain the social distancing also. Okay, children, that's all for today. See you on the next session. Till then, stay home, stay safe.